So yun guys, welcome sa aking kauna-unahang excuse me. Welcome sa aking kauna-unahang live stream. They actually ano pa lang siya, parang test run, parang beta test ganun. And yeah, I was thinking of the game that I'm going to cover for this. And eventually I just decided with Skyrim. Kasi actually siya rin yung nilalaro ko recently. Wala kasi parang ano eh, parang ang dami mo rin kasi pwedeng mahimay na lore sa kanya. And marami kang pwedeng matakil din. Actually sa character creation pa lang, dahil sobrang diverse nung character creation, parang kahit ano pwede mong gawin eh. And tsaka open world pa siya. So, yun, parang feeling ko kaya niyang punan yung kayang punan nung game yung mga bagay-bagay kahit hindi ako magsalita gaano. Anyway, meron ako nilalaro talaga eh, pero siguro baka mag new game ulit ako, tapos iniisip ko kasi kung gagawa ba ako ng parang stealth archer, dahil matagal ko na siyang gustong gawin, pero mas nananaig kasi sa akin madalas yung pagiging mage eh. Kasi kahit sa kahit anong RPG, sa kahit anong level up games, automatic yan magician ako, or mage, or baka necromancer. Bihirang bihira ako mag-warrior. Pero dahil sa Skyrim kasi, uso kasi yung stealth archer na parang papanain mo lang sa malayo yung mga kalaban, tapos hindi ka na parang nang hindi ka pumupunta ron sa battlefield, wala, parang ang astig lang niya, parang ang cool, so parang gusto ko rin siyang gawin. So yun, let's see. And wala lang, test run lang din naman to. Okay, let's go. So yun, ang Skyrim ay isa sa mga legendary open world games na kung saan hanggang ngayon binabalik-balikan pa rin siya ng mga avid fans, dahil napakarami talagang pwedeng i-explore sa game na to. And ako rin eh, nung ano eh, simula nung nakabili ulit ako ng, or simula nung nakakuha ako ng sarili kong computer set, isa to sa parang hinanap ko talaga dahil ang hirap niyang i-install. Eh, bago lang din kasi ako na nakakuha ng Steam, and hindi ko siya mabili doon, lalo na nung holiday. Diyos ko, ang mura-mura niya, grabe yung sales, parang mga nasa 400 pesos lang ata siya nun. Yun, so pinirata ko na lang. Anyway, so this is my first playthrough, and sana matripan niyo. Yeah, actually si Alduin yung dragon. Alam mo kung fan ka ng Lord of the Rings or ng Game of Thrones, ito yung parang pinakamalapit na
Hey,
way
you,
para
finally awake.
na-experience
You
yung ganong
tried to
klase
cross
ng
the
world.
border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us. And that thief over there.
Damn you Stormcloaks. Skyrim was fine until you came along. Empire was nice and lazy. If they hadn't been looking for you, could have stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell. You there, you and me, we shouldn't be here. It's these Stormcloaks the Empire wants.
Okay,
We're
so...
all brothers and sisters in binds now.
So in a way, parang nadawit
Shut
lang
up back
pala
there.
kami sa
What's wrong with him? Huh?
ginagawa nilang rebellion.
Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King.
Okay.
Ulfric, the Jarl of Windhelm? You're the leader of the rebellion. But if they captured you... Oh gods, where are they taking us?
I don't know where we're going, but Sovngarde awaits.
No, this can't be happening. This isn't happening.
So yeah, apparently
Hey,
mga bihag kami.
What village are you from,
ng-
horse thief?
Ewan ko kung
Why do you
anong
care?
A
imperyo
Nord's
to.
last thoughts should be of home.
Rorikstead. I'm
So parang
I'm
nahuli
from
kami. ganun.
Rorikstead.
General Talia, sir. The headsman is waiting.
Good. Let's get this over with.
Sure. Mara, Debella, Kinnarev, Akatosh, Divines, please help me.
Look at him. General Tullius, the military governor. And it looks like the Dalmor are with him. Damn elves. I bet they had something to do with this.
Yep.
This is Helgen. I used to be sweet on a girl from here. Wonder if Vilod is still making that mead with juniper berries mixed in. Funny. When I was a boy, imperial walls and towers used to make me feel so safe.
Who are they, Dad? Where are they going?
To go inside the town.
Why?
So
I wanna
apparently
watch the
dito parang
soldiers.
Inside
yun
the
nga,
house.
nahuli kami.
Now.
Tapos
Yes, Papa.
may kasama kaming dalawang rebelde. And
Why are we
ito ata
stopping?
yung parang leader nila.
Why do you think? End of the line. Let's go. Shouldn't keep the gods waiting for us.
No, wait, we're not rebels.
Face your death with some courage, thief.
Okay,
You've got to tell them
so
we weren't with you. This is a mistake.
dinala pala kami para bitayin.
One at a time.
Apparently. Okay.
Empire loves their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Ralof of Riverwood. Lokir of Rorikstead.
No, I'm not a rebel. You can't do this.
Halt!
You're not gonna kill me.
Archers! Anyone else feel like
Wow.
running?
Wait. You there. Step forward. Who are you?
Okay. So, ito yung mga classic na races ng... Hindi naman ng Skyrim lang, ng Elder Scrolls series itself. So, ewan ko nalaro nyo na yung Morrowind. Ganto rin yung mga classes doon. I mean, yung mga races. Yan, may Dark Elf. May High Elf. Kung gusto mong mag-mage. Ito, mga Imperial, kadalasan pag gusto mong tahakin or pag gusto mong maging warrior or mag-hack and slash, double sword, double-handed, yan. Pero dahil kanina nabanggit ko kasi na gusto kong maging stealth archer, I'm looking forward to becoming a Khajiit. Yes, hindi naman halata masyado akong cat person, pero yeah, yan yung Khajiit, literal mga sila, pusang tao. Actually may mga discrimination din dito eh. Ayun, pag nag-Khajiit ako malamang sa malamang makaka-experience din tayo ng ganun dito. dahil mabababa ang tingin sa mga Khajiit tsaka sa mga may isa pa eh. Nasaan na yun? Argonians. Yan. Mga taong butiki naman sila. Yan. Medyo yun. Medyo inaalipusta sila sa realm na to. And kung magagantong character kayo once in a while pag may nakasalubong kayong mga NPC, makakarinig kayo ng mga insulto minsan. So, pero anyway, gusto ko talaga mag-Khajiit eh. Okay. Tapos syempre lalaki. May bigote na, may whiskers pa eh, no? Hey. Oh, parang astig to. Sige, ganyan na lang. Wag na natin ganong pagtuunan ng pansin yung ano. Ang pangalan niya ay Kamuning. Okay na yan, Kamuning.
You with one of the trade caravans, Khajiit? Your kind always seems to find trouble. Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. We'll make sure your remains are turned to elsewhere. Follow the captain, prisoner.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
So, yeah.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the eight divines upon
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
our... As you wish.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials. Can you say the same?
Damn.
You Imperial bastards!
Justice!
So
Death
kung
to the
nag-wonder
Stormcloaks.
kayo, ito yung parang ongoing
As
politics sa
fearless in
Skyrim.
death
So it's
as it was in
Imperial versus Rebels.
Next, the cat!
Tamo. Tinawag
is
akong
again.
the cat.
Did you hear that?
I said, next prisoner!
To the block, prisoner. Nice and easy.
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries, what do you see?
Yeah, presenting guys, yan si Alduin. Main villain ng Skyrim.
Still coming! Get up! Come on, the boats won't give us another chance! This way!
What is that thing?
Could the legends be true?
Legends don't burn down villages.
We need to move, now! Up through the tower. Let's go!
Whoa, okay. Wala na. So, anong gagawin?
In on the other side. Jump through the roof and keep going.
tumatalon. Okay, sige. Wait lang po.
When we can.
Woo! Loop. Tapos, dito. Ganyan. Asa ka na? Saan may kasama ko? Uy! Okay. Ay, ayun nga na pala.
Torol! Everyone get back! Still alive, prisoner?
Ba't
Keep
sa'yo
close to me if
kasama?
you want to stay
Ay,
that way.
bibitayin nyo na ako kanina.
Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General Tullius and join the defense. God's guide you, Hadvar.
Tara, 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 tara. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Bilis,
Stay
bilis,
close to the
bilis,
wall.
bilis. Okay po. Whoa. Holy shit, man. Okay.
Quickly, follow me.
Okay, tara, tara. Yes.
It's you and me, prisoner. Stay close.
Ayaw sumama sa'yo. Papatayin nyo na ako kanina.
Bela, you damn traitor. Out of my way.
We're escaping, Hadvar. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine. I hope that dragon takes you all to Sovngarde.
How does it move so damn fast?
With me,
Right.
prisoner. Let's go. Here, let's go.
Okay. Okay, that's pretty intense, man. Hindi pa pwede third person. Escape Helgen.
We'll meet again in Sovngarde, brother.
Okay.
Looks like we're the only ones who made it.
Uy, hindi ah. Ang dami ng...
That thing was a dragon. No
Oo,
doubt. Just like the children's stories and the legends. The harbingers of the end times. We better get moving. Come here. Let me see if I can get those bindings off.
Okay. So,
Come on. You
Makakuha
need your
na ba?
hands free.
ay, pwede ko na ba siya? Ayun.
There you go. May as well take Gunjar's gear. He won't be needing it anymore.
Okay.
All
Okay lang ba to?
right.
Hindi ba
Get
tayo
that armor on.
mapagkakamalang...
Get that axe.
Bali na nga.
Wings.
Game, game,
I'm going
game,
to
game.
see if I can find some way out of here. Ah, this one's locked. That gate.
Yun. Items, weapons, apparel. Yan. Kabilang nyo na ako.
Damn. No way to open this from our side.
Kaya nga eh. Paano kayo gagawin dyan, no?
Come on,
The
soldier!
appearance.
Keep
Take
moving!
cover.
Get this gate open.
Huy, huy, huy. Ano meron? Okay.
For the sons of Skyrim.
It's
Hey, superiors.
Ganun, nagantihan agad natin siya.
Let's see here.
Ayan, baka nandiyan na yung susi. Tapos...
Here we are. Found the key. Let's see if it opens that door.
Go.
That's it. Come on, let's get out of here before the dragon brings the whole tower down on our heads.
Susundan mo. Susundan niya ako. Okay. So... Okay.
Damn, that dragon give up easy.
Grab everything important and let's move.
Ganun pala.
Dragon's burning
Bla-
everything to the ground. The
Okay.
prisoners
Ay,
are
puta ina. Wait lang. Lala. Wait lang, may panot. Hindi, joke. Hindi pa pala ganun. Page ba yun? Uy, grabe ka. Ba't ito pumatay?
See if you can find any potions.
Lumuluhod na nga eh. isa ring way para laruin to is dapat mabusisi ka sa mga sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo dahil lagi at lagi kang merong makukuha. Gaya na to. Ayan, may potion na tayo. Okay.
Done? Let's get moving.
Wala bang bow and arrow? Kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko sana maging weapon of choice.
Trolls, blood. It's a torture room.
Whoa.
Come on.
Torture assistant.
I cannot.
Torture assistant.
Was Jarl Ulfric with you?
Iron arrows.
No. Haven't seen him since the dragon showed up.
Ano to?
Wait a second.
Cool. May natin basahin.
It's like there's something. This cage. Ah, it's locked.
Yeah. She.
See if you can get it open with some picks.
Basic.
Might need that gold once we get out.
Ano to?
Grab anything.
Okay, so may apparel din ng mga ano. So, yeah, obvious naman na indication to na if just in case lang na gusto mong maging magician or mage, yeah, you have already the apparels needed for that.
Useful, and let's go.
Tapos potion, gold. Tara. Saan na tayo? Saan na tayo, pards? Tayo. So tingnan natin yung ano, yung arrow din pala. Saan na ba tayo? Ayun. Buti naman nag-ano ka na. Nag-initiative ka na. Okay. So,
Orders are to wait until General Tullius arrives.
I'm not waiting to be killed by a dragon.
Mamadali.
We need to fall
Ayan.
back.
Tara.
Just give the
Samahan
general
nyo,
some
samahan
time.
nyo. Dude, ba't ka sumugod agad? Ano ba? Wala akong sensor. Kailangan to ina-approach siya tactically. Oh! Ay, ito. Akin na yan. Akin na yan. Bili mo sa... Ah! Joke lang. Favorite na natin siya. Napakaganda. Grabe. Imperial light armor, longbow, sword, dagger. Siyempre mag-sword tayo. Light armor din pala siya. Cool. 25. Talaga ba?
Talos guide the boat.
Let's see where this goes.
Okay po. isa rin pala sa mga parang perks ng larong to is napakaganda lagi ng mga scenery. Like legit. Alam nyo minsan kapag kapag may coin purse. Minsan kapag gusto kong maggala, pero pag wala akong budget, dito ko na lang dinadaan kasi ang therapeutic kasi, uy, may gagamba. Okay. Ang therapeutic kasi maggala dito. Like kahit wala kang gawin na side missions or kahit anong klase ng mission. Taga lang. Hey! Ba't ganon? Walang damage. Wow! Ay, huwag kang haharang kasi baka mapatay kita. Okay. Ano yan? No! No!
I hate those damn things.
Yeah.
Too many eyes, no?
Mukha silang alien. Tapos ito nga. May bear, man. Ano nga maglakad? Nope.
Hold up! There's a bear just ahead. See her?
Huwag na.
Rather no tangle.
Gusto ko sanang panain pero wag na siguro. Actually, since... What? Uy, nagising ba? Halika. Okay. Actually, hindi ko rin sure kung maganda ba yung audio quality nito.
Way out. I knew we'd make
So, magandang pagkakataon din siya para matry. Tapos, after ko matapos tong video na to, tingnan ko kung kakailanganin ko pa ng extra mic para mas magkaroon ng malinaw na audio. Ganun lang. And we're out. So yun guys, welcome to Skyrim. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalawak yung mapa niyan. Shee! Yun o.
Looks like he's gone for good this time. No way to know if anyone else made it out alive. But this place is going to be swarming with Imperials soon enough. Better clear out of here. My sister, Gerda, runs the mill in Riverwood, just up the road. I'm sure she'd help you out. It's probably best if we split up.
Riverwood. So may kailangan tayong kausapin sa Riverwood. Pero nagdadalawang isip ako kung tatahakin ko ba yung main quest dahil isa rin kasi sa mga parang pwede mong gawin sa Skyrim. By the way, napaka ano niya kasi, napaka role-playing leaning niya na pwede ka maging kahit ano rito. Pwede ka maging assassin, pwede ka maging magnanakaw, pwede ka maging mercenary, anything. Pwede ka maging vampire dito basta mahanap mo lang yung tamang layer. Tapos magpakagat ka, syempre. Sa kaso kasi niya, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, parang bagay siyang maging low life, na parang magnanakaw, ganun. Alam niyo yun, parang nakatira sa mga creeks. Kasi pag mage ka, parang privilege ka palagi parang meron nga sila ritong parang pwede mong attenan na college school kung sakali. Yun, parang madalas ganun kapag nag-take ka ng magic, nasa comfortable side ka ng life. And with this kind of character, gusto ko lang
Never understood how my
Gusto
sister
ko mag-try
could
ng
stand
bago. Gusto ko
living in
namang
shadow.
subukan kapag nasa laylayan ka naman.
I guess you get used to it.
And kung paano ka titignan ng mga NPCs dito. Okay. Cool. So parang ano siya, parang blessing stone ata.
These are the Guardian Stones.
So
3 of the 13 ancient standing stones that dot Skyrim's landscape.
so baka mag-thief tayo. Those under the sign of the thief will learn all stealth skills 20% faster. You may only have one sign blessing at a time. Yep.
Go ahead. See for yourself.
Hoy pare, salamat
Thief,
sa ano.
eh? It's never
Makakaalis
too
ka
late
na.
to take charge of your
Sige
own
na,
fate,
kaya ko
you
na to,
know.
malaki na ako. Ang weird ng character ko, no? Eh. Kajit. So,
Remember, this isn't Stormcloak territory. If we're ahead of the news from Helgen, we should be fine. As
Okay.
long as we don't do anything
pwede kaya ata patayin? Medyo
If we run into any Imperials, just
intrusive
let
thoughts
me
eh.
do the talking, alright?
So, yun, I think I'll gonna end it here na muna since test run lang naman siya and gusto ko lang makita yung resulta kung tama ba yung mga pinaggagawa ko bago ako magsimula ng livestream talaga. Ngayon, sa mga makakapanood nito, gusto kong magsabi ng thank you kahit ang kalat-kalat ng buong segment. I'm just trying to get the hang of it. Ika nga. Yeah, that's it. And later on sa mga susunod pa na video na gagawin ko, susubukan ko kayong i-tour guide. Susubukan ko kayong i-tour sa scenery na meron ng Skyrim dahil sobrang solid talaga. Lalo na yung mga weather changes tsaka yung pagbabago ng araw. Grabe. Even yung mga smallest details. Kita nyo talaga dito. Ano yun? Ikaw porket pusa ako. Ay ko. Hey. Wala ka pala eh. So, paano? Once again guys, thank you.
I'm
Maraming
glad you
salamat.
decided to come with me. We're almost to Riverwood.
Tingnan ko kung itutuloy ko rin tong playthrough na to dahil may possibility. Pero ano din, kung sakaling may maisip kayo na ibang game na gusto nyong ipalaro sa akin, go lang. So for now, eto, hanggang dito na lang muna. Bye.